Once upon a time, in the ancient city of Athens, there lived a wise and renowned philosopher named Plato. He was known for his deep thinking and profound insights into the nature of reality and human existence. One day, Plato decided to share his wisdom through a captivating story known as the Allegory of the Cave. In this allegory, Plato painted a vivid picture of a group of prisoners who had spent their entire lives chained inside a dark cave. They were bound in such a way that they could only see the cave wall in front of them. Behind them was a fire that cast shadows on the wall, creating the only reality they had ever known. Plato described how these prisoners perceived these shadows as the true forms of reality, as they had never experienced anything else. They would engage in conversations, debating the shapes and movements of the shadows, believing them to be the ultimate truth. However, one of the prisoners managed to break free from his chains and ventured outside the cave. As he emerged into the outside world, he was initially blinded by the bright sunlight. Slowly, his eyes adjusted, and he discovered a world far more vibrant and complex than he could have ever imagined. The freed prisoner realized that the shadows in the cave were mere illusions, representations of a higher reality. He saw the beauty of nature, the diversity of colors, and the true forms of objects. Overwhelmed with the newfound knowledge, he felt an urgent desire to share this enlightenment with his fellow prisoners still trapped in the darkness. Returning to the cave, the freed prisoner struggled to explain the wonders he had witnessed. He tried to persuade the others to break free and explore the truth beyond the cave's confines. However, the prisoners, accustomed to the shadows, were skeptical and resistant. They feared the unknown and clung to their comfortable illusions. Plato used this allegory to illustrate his philosophical concept of the forms, suggesting that the world we perceive through our senses is merely a shadowy representation of a higher, more perfect reality. He believed that true knowledge and enlightenment could only be attained by transcending the limitations of the physical world and reaching the realm of eternal and unchanging forms. Through the allegory of the cave, Plato encouraged his audience to question the nature of reality, challenge their preconceived notions, and seek a deeper understanding of the world. The story served as a timeless reminder that genuine wisdom requires intellectual curiosity, open-mindedness, and the willingness to venture beyond the confines of one's comfort zone.